Good morning, students. This is the Sanford Inspire resource that I'm using for the alternate assignment for service learning for EDU222. I'm using this resource for all of my classes, and I'm choosing different modules and different units for each course. So when you log on, this is the screen that you're going to see. And this is a fantastic resource, but my first thought when I see this is, wow, this is super overwhelming. So as I was poking around with it a bit, I noticed in the bottom right-hand corner that there were implementation resources, so I clicked on Map of Modules. And the Map of Modules opens up this really cool window that streamlines everything and makes it a little easier to see. There is a download print version, and that is the document that I have attached to the announcement in Canvas. So here, this is a document that I attached. On page 2, this is under the pathway building teaching practices in the unit learning environment, and then I'm scrolling down to the topic, the unit of professional practices, and getting down to the topic of supporting students with ADHD, strategies to address specific learning disabilities in reading, strategies to address specific learning disabilities in writing. There's also the differentiation strategy of performance task. There's all kinds of things that I think are really supportive and helpful for those of us in EDU222. So the modules that aren't blacked out are for EDU222. You can see I really applied a low-tech strategy of blacking out with a marker, and that's the best I could do in a pinch. So back to the map of modules. If I'm using this, again, I've clicked on it. If I'm using this and I'm looking at the modules, there's pathways. There's 6 of them, 4 are orange and 2 are blue. If I go into the universal design, and then I see the different strategies there. Let me go back to, I believe, professional practices, instructional design and planning, organizing information to improve memory retention. This could be one that is useful. Note that it's 30 minutes, so I will expect that you count the actual minutes toward the total amount of hours, and then we will reflect on it in a combination of the small group project, which is our mock IEP meeting, and the hours that were fulfilled either through your service learning placement or through these Sanford Inspire modules. They're really good things, really good modules, great information. I'm really enjoying the information I'm learning. So this is what we have. Of course, I will answer questions in depth when we're in class. All right, students.